They have indeed provided image satellites, imageries showing what is happening right in the forest. The cutting down, the excision. Now it has started, and the starting of it would mean we cut down the forest. The starting of it is we rattle the wildlife. The starting of it means that we disturb the water catchment tower. The starting of it is likely to impact on the neighborhood. The starting of it is likely to regenerate the human-wildlife something. The motion dated 26th of June 2026 is indeed meritorious. It deserves being granted. I have thereafter decreed a conservatory order to suspend the impugned projects, the airstrip, the state lodge, and the golf course, awaiting the determination of the petition.